Hi, once again. It's been a long time since I make another video, and today is going to be about the AI link building tool. So the tool is being updated, and that is why it's taking kind of long time, and a lot of people are waiting. We've been getting the messages, and the tool is still being updated with AI, but we are almost 95% complete. So there are some people that are still using the tool and building high quality backlinks. So for those of you who want to start using the link building tool, I just want to say to you, we've been upgrading the tool, and the technicians are working very hard to see that everything is successful and everybody is going to get an email. If you are not a subscriber, you better subscribe because you don't want to miss this chance. And once you are a subscriber, you get an alert anytime there is an upgrade or update on the AI link building tool. So this is the homepage for the AILinkBoost.com. To begin with, I want to make it clear that this is this make the work easy. This makes the link building work very easy because the AI is now able to build our backlinks through link insertion. And we are trying our best to minimize the spam rate, to also minimize the type of backlinks the AI is building, to make sure everything is clean, white hat, and everything is ready to go. So if you have concern about the type of backlinks that the AI is building, the AI is programmed in such a way that it wouldn't build any bad links. And also, you can control the type of links the AI is going to build. So let's say you are not going to spam or not spam, but you are not going to shoot your website with 5 million backlinks within a day. That is impossible. That is an example. And the AI also has built-in API for automatic Google indexing. That means if the tool built 1 million backlinks or 500,000 backlinks, or let's say 2,000 backlinks, it's not going to submit all the 2,000 backlinks at one time to Google for indexing. It's going to be a drip feed, which means the tool is going to be submitting daily daily URLs to the Google API indexing, so that Google will see these backlinks as naturally coming in, not like, let's say, 1 million backlinks in a day. That is not possible. And we are not doing that. So it doesn't matter the package that you use, but then the indexing is going to be gradually. So let's say every day 5 links, 10 links, 20 links, 30 links, can be up to 50 links daily, so that everything is going to look naturally. So that is the strategy I'm also using to rank my website on the first page of Google. I mean, so many different websites with so many high competitive keywords. So that means there is nothing to worry about when using this tool. So now to get started, there is our homepage. So it says AI-powered backlink software that boosts ranking. We are not promising magic. I'm not telling you that the tool can bring you number one or on the first page of Google by running one campaign. And the Google algorithm is not only working with backlinks. There are other factors that you need to put in place to see your rankings go high. So I'm not saying you can depend 100% on this link, because you need to upgrade your website. You need to change your content, your blogs. You need to make sure you are doing the right thing when it comes to SEO. Example, some of the most important thing that you need to make sure you are doing is your URL, your title, your keyword in the H1s, and in the description, in the H2s, the related keywords within your articles. These are some of the most important things you need to consider when ranking on Google, not only backlinks. So let's scroll down. This is a demo. And this demo, we are going to put in very soon the new updated version of the AI link building tool. So how it works: enter your target, AI analyzes link placement, and then you start ranking. But based on your SEO, technical SEO strategies. All right. So, so this is why choose AI Link Boost. This is the website. So it can so for agencies of course can use the AI link building for their clients. We offer white hat and white label services, and also for in-house and freelancers are also welcome to use the tool, and also for affiliate. And if you are also running an affiliate program, of course you can also use the AI link building tool. And here is the pricing packages. There are some bugs that we need to fix here. I can see that. So the startup plan starts with $29.99 monthly for 50,000 backlinks. And the basic is $49.99 for 300,000 backlinks. And we have the advanced plan, which is $99.99 for 1 million backlinks. And if you need something bigger, you contact us, then we can go into maybe yearly access or lifetime access or white label solution for your business. So that is what we can offer. And this is the step how the system works now. You enter your website and keyword, confirm the submission. The AI is then set up. You receive your credentials. You start running your link building campaign. So now let me show you. Once you choose a plan that you want, we've made it affordable for everybody to be able to use this AI link building. So anybody can use it. Very affordable, starting with $29.99 to $99.99. So once you select your package and make your payment, what's going to happen is that you receive this link. This is launch your automated link building campaign. So in this link, this is what's going to happen. AI link boost keyword generator. So first of all, you are going to generate your keyword. After generating your keyword, so let's do something. Let's say let me use one of my directory websites. So let's say my keyword is let's say digital marketing. Digital marketing. This is my primary keyword. A number of keywords that I want to generate to use for my link building campaign. So let's say I want to select, let's say 30 keywords. Okay. I want to use advanced. If you use quick generate, then some buttons will disappear. So advanced. The industry. So I'm going to use general industry. You can select the one that you want, but then I'm going to use general. And the keyword intent, I'm going to use transactional. You can also see all intents if you want. Additional context, that is if you want to use some specific context, you want to add some comment or something like that, you can use it. So here we have keyword types to include general keywords, long tail keyword, question keyword, related terms. I want to have all of this for the sake of this tutorial. Let's see. Now, if I click on generate keyword, generating keyword with AI link boost. So the system is now generating the keywords that I can use for my link building campaign. So what's going to happen is that in a couple of seconds or a minute, I'm going to receive my keywords. So here I have my keywords. Okay, it appears with metrics. This is very important and it's very, very good. So now we have our keywords. We have digital marketing strategies, best digital marketing tools, how to start digital marketing trends. We also have digital marketing services pricing. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing agency near me. Digital marketing courses. All these keywords. I've selected 30 keywords. So I have my 30 keywords. And the reason why because here I selected all intent. So once I select all intent, I'm going to have different types of keywords based on my selection. So yeah, digital marketing job opportunities, digital marketing career path. So what's going to happen is that now I have to scroll to the top and copy all the keywords. So I click on copy all. Now all the keywords has been copied. Now what I have to do is scroll down here and then put my name. Okay, put my name and put my email and the URL. I'm going to put, I'm not going, let me see. The name is Abdul Musa. And the contacts and the URL is my directory URL, explodingfans.de. It's a German URL. So the type of package that I've paid for, let's select basic. No, with the basic, there are differences that I will explain in the tool. The basic, you cannot run automatic indexing, and with the proxies, it's also not automatic with the basics. So I'll select advanced. So let's say I've paid for advanced. Now, list of targeted keywords is going to be the keywords that I've copied here. So I scroll down and paste in the list of keywords. Okay, you can see that now. Start campaign. Okay, your submission was successful. So what's going to happen is that the tool is going to receive automatically all this information, and then you get an email within some minutes, or sometimes it can take up to an hour depending on the volume of the orders that we are receiving. So once you get your email, what's going to happen is that inside your email is the settings, all that you have to do. So once you open your email and log in, you are going to come to this page, the most advanced AI-powered link insertion tool. Okay, this is the description, and this is the page, and here is the tool. Okay, now the tool is made accessible, the AILinkBoost Pro advanced plan. So I'm currently on the advanced plan. So what's going to happen is that I click on the settings. So here's the settings, the advanced configuration. So here we have performance settings, worker thread. You can just play with these. Okay, request time out in seconds, memory limit. So depending on the speed of your memory, you can play with this. Discovery intelligence, fine-tune opportunity finding. So advanced AI analysis, you can turn it on. You can also turn it off. So let's leave it on. Deep crawling. So if you want deep crawling, crawl beyond homepage for more opportunities. So we are not only targeting homepage, we are also targeting blog articles and what have you. So you can turn this off, you can turn it on. Comment on latest post, one post that is recommended. So minimum domain rating. The minimum domain rating, you can choose from 10, you can play with this. So if I go 27, 47, 62, 783, so it depends. But then the AI is not accurate on this. So here the DR, you can select DR42, but your backlinks is not going to start from DR42. The AI is going to try its best to find the best DR for you. But then that is not promising, because you have to know this is AI, and AI can make mistakes. This is not perfect when it comes to the DR. All right. And the link building strategy. So here we have preferred strategy. Auto comment rotation. You can make it off. You can turn it off or tune it on. And here, smart anchor text, you can tune it off or you can leave it on. So, but most of the settings are pre-made. So that means we can leave it as it is. Required manual link approval. Once selected, it's going to take a long time to build the backlinks. So leave it off. Strict relevance filter, we leave it also off. We are not going to turn it on, because once you turn it on, it's going to take long. And here we have advanced features, professional tools for power users, competitor backlink analysis. You leave it on. The reason why you're going to leave it on is that the AI is going to show you some information about your competitors. Okay, some of your competitors are going to show once the campaign starts. You are going to see, and some of the links your competitors are also having, and they are ranking. That is why it's better to leave this on. The AI writing assistant. So the AI will automatically keep on changing the text and the comments. So that is why it's better to leave it on. Proxy rotation. The proxy rotation, to avoid your IP address being exposed. So it's better to leave it on. And that is also mostly in the advanced feature. So that is why you need to leave the proxy rotation on. So nobody is going to see your IP address. You are secure when you are running this tool. And automated reporting is also on. Okay, the API access and webhook. Okay, so the API, everything is built in once you have the advanced feature. And the Google indexing API is also built-in feature. and the proxy. They are all built-in feature that are going to start running with the advanced feature. So you are safe to run this on your computer, or it's a web app now. You are safe to run it. You don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about proxies. You don't have to buy extra proxies. Everything is built in. All you have to do is just turn it on. You are good to go. All right. So now let's see what we have here. Plan settings, monthly URL limit. So let's say you are on the 1 million or advanced package, which is 1 million or 1.5, I think 1 million. So, and you want to build your links less than that, so you can select your monthly URL limit. But then I don't recommend this because this is automatically set up to run. So now we save our settings. Now the settings is saved. So the next thing we have to do is, well, if you go to data, you can see the data. We have no information on the data. There is nothing here, and there is nothing to show. So here we have process URLs, nothing. And the target URL, that is the URL I submitted when I filled the form. So it appears here. And here the proxies right now is inactive. The status is inactive because we did not start running our campaign. And the next step is we can check out by the discovery. And by the discovery, you can see targeted keywords. So I submitted some of the targeted keywords that I want my tool to run with. So it appears here. If I click on the generate, okay, because I'm not running my campaign right now. And here we have anchor text variation, which is also going to appear here once we start running our campaign. The website and message template. This is only for short template. So I only write this short template. I did not ask the AI to write it because the AI is going to write something more powerful than this. And the emails, we have 20 emails. Now let's scroll down. And here, top internal pages, the AI has already scanned the website to find some of the internal pages. So the AI has scanned the website, my directory website, and listed some of my internal linking pages here automatically. I didn't do this. These are the tool made this. So we have some of internal linkings here. So what's going to happen by the discovery is that now we can click on start discovery. Or we can first of all go back to the dashboard and take a look at the dashboard. Now here is our dashboard. Okay, this is the dashboard. We started with settings. Now this is the dashboard. We have the target URL. And the AI is automatically telling me that Exploding Brands DE has 21,000 index backlinks, which is also generated by the AI. And here the DR of the backlinks is 30 and the DA is 20. So you can go on and check this or verify if it is true. But the last time I checked, it's true. The AI has it perfectly right. And we have processing and statistics, total process pending, and it also finds some captures and bypass them, errors and operational success. Here we have the DR, which is going to start to go high once we have enough backlinks. And let's scroll down to see something here. We have system resources. It's going to show us the resources that the tool is using when it comes to our computer. Google indexing status is going to show us how many links have been submitted to Google for indexing, how many is successfully submitted, and the failed ones. And estimated traffic impact. This is only an estimate that the tool is going to show you once some of the links are indexed. So the possible traffic that you are going to get. And the recent activities. So it's also going to appear here, link progress tracker, and it's also going to show us live if it's working. Top search competitors. By the top search competitors, the tool has already showed us some of our competitors. And here it says Clutch because we are in the digital marketing and SEO, designers.weebly, and these are some of the competitors that the tool found. So if you are worried about your competitor analysis, you can easily get them here from this AI tool. So this is very professional and advanced tool. network statistics is going to show you the VLAN is already connected and it's going to show us the information. Live URL discovery feed is also going to appear here. So now, without wasting much of a time, let's click on start button to see something. I click on start. Starting. Main processing started. So now the tool is started working. So now let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so total is discovering some of the links right now, and process 53 pending 13, you can see is running. It started working, and the proxy is active. The proxy is automatically activated. Okay, moderate resource usage, system nominal, POSIX activated, status active. So now it's running. And it's telling us you are missing backlinks from 2 sites, your competitors, scandiweb.com, etc. Okay, the tool is giving us some tips, what we have to do. And now if you see the system resources, the CPU usage, 63%, and the memory usage is 44%. Okay, so it's showing us what is being used. And the keyword, the URL that is being found is also showing us here. Now let's scroll down and see Google indexing stats. 0 submitted, next submission trigger, and is moving to show us the next submission trigger after 1000 processed. Okay. And here we have recent activities. Okay, main process started, starting main process. Okay, this is the next main process started, keywords generated. Okay, so link progress tracker. Okay, the tool is showing us this. Now let's do link process over time. Okay, so this is working, is connected to internet and finding every possible link insertion opportunity for our link building campaign. You can see how it's moving. Now let's scroll down to see. Okay, so now live URL discovery feed. You can see it's discovering. We have success, we have fail. Okay, so it's also discovering from our website. Okay, so now you can see what is happening here. So many different URLs being found and analyzed for successful link insertion. Now let's go up. Let's scroll back. Okay. Now we can stop our campaign or we can leave our campaign to run. So now, till now we have 1,500 almost, and the tool is running. Now you can see how this AI tool is working now. Now let's check the discovery. Okay, so by the discovery, we can see, okay, generate. We have 12 keywords generated. Anchor text. Now let's see generate. Okay, so it has automatically generated anchor text for us, 29. Now let's scroll down. Emails, we have 20. We can leave it or click generate. Okay. And here, website, the message, we've already seen that. Import from discovery. Now let's start discovery and see what's going to happen. I click on discovery. Discovery started. Now it's working. Now the discovery is also discovering some links. So what's going to happen is that the discovery discovered the links and passed it on to the dashboard, and then the link is being inserted. So that is what is happening, total. So now if we click here, import from discovery, is going to import the links, that the valid links that have been discovered from discovery. So now let's click on import from discovery. Here, it has automatically appeared here. You can see that. Okay, so now let's check data. What is in the data? Now the data is showing us, you can see that, processed URL data. So the last time I checked the DA with Moz, the tool is showing us the DA based on the built-in algorithm and the understanding of the tool. So possibly if you find that the DA is not exactly right, don't worry about that. That is normal. And here the data is showing us the links being inserted from the dashboard. Total, we have 2,500. The valid ones are 203 and the invalid 1,840. So placement success is 62%. Okay, so now here we can see it's showing us the indexing URL. So the URL that are found on the internet that the tool is being the tool is discovering the URLs that have been indexed, is checking these URLs with Google and showing us that this URL that is being found on the internet has been indexed by Google. Okay, so that is why we are seeing index, no index, and pending. And relevance, the link relevance is showing us the percentage of the link relevance and the status. We can see the status here. So everything is working live. So that is for now what I can show you about AI link building tool, one of the best in the industry. So let's go back to our dashboard. Now we have Google indexing status also. So we have 6 URLs submitted to Google for indexing and 1 fail. And here we have 1 error. For captcha, we have nothing. So I'll be coming up again, with the next update on the AI link building tool. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do that. So this is the strategy that I'm using to rank my directory website on the first page of Google. Let me show you an example. Best WordPress SEO agencies in Germany. Okay, so you can see I'm on the first page. Now let me change and say best Shopify SEO agencies in Germany. So you can see we are on the first page. Now let me say best Amazon SEO agencies in Germany. So for this one, I think we are on the second page. Yeah, we are on the second page. So let me see which keyword again can I use. Okay, best SEO freelancers in Germany. So you can see we are on the first page. Let's select Berlin. You can see we are on the first page. Best SEO freelancers in Hamburg. You can see these are the big series. We are on the first page. Best SEO freelancers in Frankfurt. You can see we are on the first page. So best SEO freelancers in Nuremberg. We are ranking number 1. Let's change keyword. Best SEO experts in Hamburg. We are still on the first page. Best SEO experts in Berlin. We are on the second page, probably, yeah. So let's see best web design agencies in Berlin. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, we are not on the first page. Best, let's see best. I have this page I built recently. Best WordPress web design agencies in Berlin. This is, let's select the country-wide. In Germany. Okay, we are not on the first page. Okay, best web Shopify. I'm trying to remember some of the pages that I built. Best Shopify web design agencies in Germany. You can see we are on the first page. Best, let's say, Joomla. I have this page. Web design agencies in Germany. We are on the first page. So I can't remember some of the, so I have to do keyword research to be able to put most of the ranking keywords, but we are ranking for so many keywords on the first page of Google using this tool. So this is all for now, and this is the keyword generator. Once you got your package, you come here, you generate. So let's select different keyword. Let's say SEO experts New York City, and we want 30 keywords and the intent is, let's leave it general. The intent, let's say transactional, generate keyword. So it's going to generate our keywords. Within some few minutes, we're going to have our keywords. So total keywords, I select 30 normally. Okay, so not a problem. We have best SEO expert New York City, top SEO specialist in New York City. And then we can go here and say copy all and paste it here, fill our form, and that is it all. And the tool will be ready to start running your link building campaign. So we are now back to our tool. The total now we have almost 4,000, and the process, the captcha 0, 1 error, 9 submitted, 3 failed. And this is, okay, our AI model updated today to detect 13% more spam sites. You can see that. So we have every settings to make sure that we don't land on a spam website, okay? Capture encountered. So let's see here, we see capture encountered 1, and we have the recent activity. It's showing you everything live, what is happening. So if it encountered a capture, it will show you indexing attempt complete, 3 submitted, 2 failed. Okay, so that is it all with our tool, and we are doing our best to help everybody to stay safe. We have proxies activated to make sure that every IPs are hidden, and we also make sure the backlinks are automatically submitted to Google for indexing. So that is it for now, and that is why in the settings we have so many settings to twist, to play with, and the data we can see what is happening live with our links. All right, and then we go to logs. By the logs, we can see what is happening by the logs. I got a call. Sorry about that. What is happening by the logs? We can see start logging. Okay, so now we can see the activity. I forgot to start the logging, but now we can see what is happening. So the log is showing us the URL and the keyword that is being used as anchor text. Okay, the keyword and the anchor text. We can see that. Sorry about that. So that is it for now. You can see by the activity log, you get the keyword that is being used for the link insertion. I mean the URL that is being used for the link insertion, the keyword, and the anchor text. So very, 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 very nice tool. If you are interested, just get in touch with us and let's see how we can better help you. Thank you for now, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because of upcoming updates. Thank you and see you for now. Bye-bye.